everybody, we have a box. We're gonna find out what's in it. Look at that, it's a Mustang motorcycle seat. It's for the Rebel 500. We're so excited. All right, we're gonna unbox this here Mustang motorcycle seat. See what we've got here. We've been waiting for a long time. These are in short supply. We actually had one ordered that was evidently damaged or something during shipping, so we had to get a refund on that one. And this is a second one that came recently.
Has a lot of bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap! We love bubble wrap. There we go. Let's take the plastic off. Zip tie is very, very sturdy, so I'm going to cut the plastic instead. Oh, I guess I could, no, that's a zip tie also. Okay, there it is. Look how gushy it is. Oh, it's going to be so comfortable. We're going to remove the old seat from the Rebel 500. This is the stock seat. This is a little hex wrench that we keep in Luke's toolkit in his bike. They're just these two bolts here underneath the seat. You just loosen those. You don't have to take them all the way out. We did this on our other video where we did the walk around. Just slide that right on off. There you go. Here's a comparison. This is the stock Honda seat that came with it. It seems cushy enough and it really is fine for short distances, but after about an hour, my butt really starts to get very sore and I can't ride on it without a break for longer than about an hour. This is the new Mustang seat. This is much gushier. I haven't tried it yet, but we're about to install it, but you can see how much more give it has and how much more padding. Here you can see them together. This is the stock seat. This is the Mustang aftermarket saddle. This is the stock seat. You can see that it has the lip here, which scoots underneath this bracket, and then these bolts slide in here. We took this off. The new seat has the same hardware, so we're going to slip this tab underneath this bracket, and again, this is where the bolts will attach. We'll have to get the new bolts out of the hardware package, but we'll put them in there. And we decided to use the bolts that actually came with the stock seat rather than the little bolts that came with the new one, but all the little extra like rubber washers and bushings and stuff we're not using because they don't fit. So we're just gonna pull this up here. I'm gonna attach it to my wrench, stick it in that little hole, which you probably can't see. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Ah. Thank you.
Sounds like you're winning a prize.
How many times am I gonna drop this?
I did the easy one where I was able to move the seat around. This is the hard one.
There we go. It feels like it's in there. This takes a while because it's a pretty long way. There we go. Nice and snug. There we go.
So how many bolts are there?
2. Dos bolts. That's all there is to it. It's really quite simple. The moment of truth has arrived. I'm going to sit on the seat. Ooh, comfy. Comfy, comfy. Now we won't really know until I've been on it for an hour, but it definitely feels better for now.
You want to take it down the block?
Sure. There we have it. I see why people like riding without gear. I'm normally an at-gat girl, but this was just up to the cul-de-sac and back. But it feels pretty good. It's nice.